Hey guys, I want to tell you quickly about a Z1 Club bonus that is now available in the social network. You'll be able to see it if you're logged in. This is the ID PLR giveaways, lead magnets, anything you need to get email addresses from your leads or prospective customers. You can give away these ebooks just to get the email address, and that obviously put them on your email list, which is a massive marketing strategy. So what you can do is come to idplr.com. I'll put a link in the bonus in the description, and you're just looking for anything in your niche. So just for instance, I'm going to say you're in a dog training niche or something. Just type it in dog. There's thousands of books, thousands of things. So bite prevention ebook, doggy deciding, dog walker, dog potty training, right? It might be something like this. Dog grooming affiliate kit. We wouldn't really use that. Dog obedience. So a dog obedience ebook with private label rights, which means you can change the name to your say that you wrote it. So it can be sold, can be used for personal use, can be packaged with other products, can be modified. Can be modified, change the sales letter, can be modified, change the main product. So something with private label rights. Private label right. You could actually change the cover, say that it's your name, and put it on your website as dog obedience ebook. You're going to lead the importance of getting rid of dog bad behaviors, why biting should be. You get the point. Just check the information in there for product terms. When it says can't be given away for free, it means you can't just post it on your website and let somebody read it. What you need to do is here, can be used to build a list. So you can add that to your email list by putting some sort of squeeze page in front of it, getting an email, and then delivering the PDF back end, which I'll help you do. Don't worry about that. So it's a Z1 Club bonus. You can just go in here, find whatever you want, send me the link, and I will send you the product for you to be able to share. And then if you need help working out how to share it, then I can do that too. All right, so there's obviously like here 6,000 ebooks to use, some software, some videos, video training you might want to share, and there's thousands of graphics articles and stuff like that. So give it a try. It's a Z1 Club bonus. If you're interested in joining Z1 Club, look on my website for that Z1 Club too. Cheers, guys.